We got a new FNAF movie. I nearly missed this completely. I just happened to see the trailer on YouTube. I think it popped up. And I went, oh my God, there's a new one. And my kids are like too young to know what this is, so that's probably why I missed it. But Toy Freddy. They really put a lot of work into this, didn't they? Like the suits and all, they look really good. Like this, the Toy Freddy looks class. Like imagine seeing this. Like if there was like a real place that you go to like called Freddy's, I might go. Like an amusement park or something. Looks cool. So let's draw this landscape page. Pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast as usual. So we're gonna start with like the rectangle nose because it's kind of the easiest place to start. So right in the middle, across, flat, down the sides. Right, then it comes back in the other way. Kind of dips in the middle. You kind of, it could be a shadow, but we'll make it a little bit pointy there. It's more realistic anyway if it is. Okay, so then his eyes are just in behind. So they come out around. Kind of ovally, because there's this lighted area in behind his eyes. Now we can't do the light obviously, so we'll just do it black. Right, and then his snout is kind of here, right? But we'll just do the other one first and then we'll fill that in. So it curves around. Both sides like that. And then his snout kind of closes this off here. You know, his mouth area. So his eyeball's kind of weird. It's like they're kind of floating in there. So like this area is kind of darker, right? So it's kind of got this shadow. So it's kind of like a thick, and there's a glowing blue light in there, right? Just behind his eyes. But we'll just do a black shadow as if the light's kind of turned off a bit. Bum, bum, bum. And we'll do the same over here. So I'm just like thickening this up a bit, that's all. Just make it look a bit darker and deeper further back. So then eyelid just comes across. There. Same on this side. And the bottom eyelid, we can only see a little bit of it. And then those big blue eyes. So you're just doing a circle. So if you have like a coin or a compass or something, that'll get you the circle. Go for it. And then his pupil, circle in the middle. Now it does look like there's like blue lines coming out, but probably just a blue color would be enough. Because there's like these lines that go that way. You can draw them if you want, but they're not really, they're done with light more than anything. So we'll get the other one here. Boom, boom, boom. And then he's got like big spiky eyelashes. So like, they're very thin. And then the eyebrow just up here. Kind of square looking. He's got like a lighter shade of brown in around his eyes as well. I will draw it in. You don't have to, you could do it with color, but just so I know where it is, I'm going to just do a real light little shape just around, so I know it's light brown. It's like a different color in there. Just like an eyelid line, kind of just around the edge of his eyes there. So snout, finish the snout, so curves the whole way down then here. And then it comes down and his teeth kind of bump out from here. So say like we get the line in the middle, right? And his teeth are kind of connected to this, so we'll just go up and down like that. And then we get those freckles. So I'm just going to draw circles because I want to like shade them a bit. So I'll add like a white dot to them. So you could do them black with your pencil, like dark, very dark gray if you wanted, if you're doing a pencil drawing. Or just go pure black. But I'm going to add, they're a bit shiny, so I'm going to make them shiny probably. I'm just going to add a white dot to it. You could use paint for that. So his teeth. Real square gaps between them. And then the bottom part, right? So he's got that bottom lip area. And then the square teeth in here. And there's a blue light emanating from his mouth as well. But we'll do the black shadow in there. As if the light's off, sort of. And then the side of his mouth is just here, here. And it's like, I'll do it like just dark in there. Because there's like pipes and blue and stuff in there. So we got red cheeks. I always like drawing these characters. They're so, I don't know, they're so easy. Like real straightforward. It's nice, it's relaxing. That's kind of weird because it's a horror and they look so cartoony. Okay, so his head shape, right? So the top, like his top hat starts kind of here. So this is like the top of his head as well. And then it bumps down to the top of the cheek and then around the cheek. Okay, so it goes down like that. It's like his head. And then it goes around these cheeks. So it goes this way. And then I think it goes up in here to his lip a bit. It's not flat. So it goes up and down. So it's like goes in there. Right, his ears. So there's like a little silver bit that connects the ears to the head. Sort of either side of his roundy bear ears. They're just sort of oval shape. Kind of goes the whole way around. It's like there's a lighter part of color inside here. And then the black top hat. Now, I'm not sure how big this is because it's like cut off in the image that I'm drawing from. So the top of it, so we'll go like up this way. I'm not sure if it gets wider at the top, but that's how I always think of top hats. And then it kind of like curves that way. And then there's a red line. How high up? We'll do it here. So a bow will go down, so just like a circle. And then like that. And then there's like a little button here. And then his belly. And the top of it. Then we get his shoulders. So it's all this just connected different parts. First this part. And then the next step. And then we get like this one. And then another similar thing down there. And boop. That one's different to that one. Or did I just miss it? Nope, sorry. So here, yeah. And sometimes there's like little edge lines on these, you know, because they're kind of plastic, hard plastic. Toy Freddy from FNAF 2. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.